Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have another gift idea for Father's Day to show you. Okay guys, so I did a fillable tray video for Mother's Day, so I wanted to do one for Father's Day as well. So here I have the letter D for dad, and this is also going to be for the grill master dads and the dads that want to start their grilling journey. So here I have the grilling basics, and again, these are budget friendly, so they are all from the dollar store. This is a tongs that is needed. You have the fork, and you will also need a spatula. Here I have a meat thermometer. It's a digital and it's in a little case. All you have to do is to pull it out when you're ready to use it. So this item you will definitely need. It's a grill brush, and you will need this to clean your grill after using it. I saw this barbecue glove and I thought this was pretty cool because sometimes that grill does get hot. So this glove is heat resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. So I thought this would be a great addition for dad to have. I have some shredded paper that I will be adding to the inside of the tray, and I also have some candies that I will be adding as well. Sometimes I forget to remove my tags, guys, but today is not one of those days. Always remember to remove your price tags before making your gift baskets or gift arrangements. I'm going to be adding the items to the tray, but first I'm going to be adding the shredded paper, and then I'm going to be arranging the items in the tray. I wanted to mention this jerk seasoning, guys, the Grace Jamaican jerk seasoning. As a Jamaican, we don't do barbecues, that it's called here, jerk, without our jerk seasonings. It can be bought like this, guys, but we sometimes do make our own blend. So guys, this gift arrangement has everything a grill dad will need, even though it looks so simple and easy to put together. I'm going to be adding a bow, and if you're going to be presenting your gift like this, you can just add the bow and it's going to look great. Now, if you're going to be moving this or delivering this, then you would need to add some cellophane. So I added a little tape just to keep the utensils stable before adding the cellophane. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up, guys. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. So there you have it, guys, and I just wanted to lift it and show you that the items will not fall out, and it can be delivered to Dad easily. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.